Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today there are many questions in your mind if you are new learner to the chemistry, and we will be dealing with Introduction to Chemistry chapter 1. So exact definition of chemistry is: chemistry is the branch of experimental science which deals with the study of matter, the changes that takes place in matter and the laws which govern these changes. Now the question arises here that there are many types of chemistry, and what will be you studying in further. So there are 7 types of chemistry, that is inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, agricultural chemistry, biochemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry. So branches of chemistry are here. Inorganic chemistry, it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the study of metals and non-metals, their reactions, their compounds, their properties and uses. And we will move to second branch of chemistry, organic chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the compounds of carbon except carbonates and bicarbonates, of metals, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Now the third branch of chemistry is physical chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the principles of chemistry. And the fourth one, analytical chemistry. The branch of chemistry in which the tests of the substances are carried out and the structures of the substances are studied is known as analytical chemistry. And we will move to the next branch of chemistry, that is agricultural chemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with the structure of soil, its fertility, types of soil, uses of chemical substances for conservation, nutrition and growth of plants, is called agricultural chemistry. And we will move to the second last branch of chemistry, that is biochemistry. The branch of chemistry which deals with the substances present in plants as well as in animals, as well as in animal bodies, and the chemical reactions which takes place in their bodies is known as biochemistry. And the last one, pharmaceutical chemistry. The branch of chemistry in which we studied about combination, production, analysis and properties of substances used in medicine is called pharmaceutical chemistry. Thank you.